So, in this lecture, you'll learn how to use navigation in the Xamarin. Okay, so navigation is fully cross-platform. There's nothing to worry about there. It's quite easy to do. I will show you where it starts, where it all begins, where you set your primary page, your initial page, and then I will show you how to do the navigation in the other pages simply on the button click event, or button clicked as it is called here. Okay, so I've already created 3 pages. Well, actually the first one was already created in the template. So what we have here, we have main page, and then we have test page 1, and then we have test page 2. So 3 pages in total, and then our main page will navigate into the test page 1 and test page 2. Test page 2 will do some navigation, and test page 1 as well. And you will see some code. I will show you some code, and then I will write another little line, and I will show you how you can perhaps do it a little quicker. Okay, so it all starts in the app.xaml, okay, or in fact app.xaml.cs. If you go here, you will see that in the constructor here, app, okay, constructor method app, you have initialize component, and then what you have is main page, okay, equals new main page. Now, mind you, this main page property is not the main page.xaml, this main page property that gets assigned. Okay, it's not. It's the page that is displayed at this time. Okay, currently displayed page is this property, which is application, as you can see, main page. Okay, so initially you have main page set up, okay, like that, assigned, and then that means it will navigate to the main page, just like that. Okay, so how you would do that in another page? It will be a bit different. Okay, so if we go to main page.xaml, we have one button, we have one event, and the button text says to page 1. And then we have another button and another event, and then that one says page 2. Okay, so let's go to main page.cs, .xaml.cs, and as you can see right here we have some code, and the first event will navigate to somewhere, and the second one as well. So what you need to do, you need to establish your navigation page, which is basically the page you want to navigate to. Okay, so the first button will navigate, on its click it will navigate to test page 1, which is our test page 1.xaml. Okay, that's where it will go. So the way you do that is simply construct navigation